Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. The carpet contractor started the install of the carpet in the main prayer area, which is now complete. Finished carpenters installed the cabinets in the conference room and completed the shelving at the coat rods in all 3 closets and installed the remainder of blocking required to install the columns that are on back order in the women's prayer area. Electrical contractors are continuing to install drivers for the LED strip lighting around the perimeter of the step ceilings. They also installed LEDs in many of these locations. The plumbing contractor installed the gas valve and other associated gas piping for the quick line. The painting contractor was here doing touch-up painting the decorative columns for the inside and outside of the building. The HVAC contractor installed the welded grease duct for the kitchen hood and continued to work on the fresh air and makeup air unit along with the exhaust fan of the roof. Please continue donating as much as you can as we are nearing the end of this project. Jazakallah khair for your support.